Architectural facades are perfect for photogrammetry. Building fronts, walls with details, storefronts, but their flat, large nature requires a specific, grid-based shooting approach. Think of a facade as a grid. You'll shoot in horizontal rows. The bottom row, shoot left to right with 70% overlap. Shoot right to left, overlapping the bottom row. Top row, shoot left to right. Continue until you've covered the entire height. For typical 2-story buildings, that's 3 to 5 rows with 5 to 8 photographs per row. Stand parallel to the wall, not at angles. For upper floors, you have options. Move further back and use zoom. This is easier but gets less detail. Shoot from elevated positions across the street. Use a pole-mounted camera with a remote trigger. Or use a drone, which we'll cover in a few videos. Avoid extreme upward angles. They cause distortion. Staying perpendicular to the surface gives the best results. Windows are tricky because they're reflective and often show different reflections in each photo. This confuses the software. Shoot on overcast days because it reduces reflections. Shoot at angles to minimize direct reflections. Accept some reconstruction errors in window areas. Repetitive patterns like rows of identical bricks can also confuse the software. Try include unique features in each shot, signs, edges, or architectural details to give the software reference points. Try to keep your camera level and perpendicular to the wall. If you shoot at extreme angles, the perspective distortion makes reconstruction harder. Use a level or your camera's built-in level indicator, if possible. Shoot more photos than you think you need. Facades are large and missing a section means reshooting. Overlap generously, especially at the edges where you transition between rows.